Seeing SOS on your Spectrum mobile iPhone or Android device means you can only make emergency calls. This happens when your phone can't connect to Spectrum's network, which runs on Verizon. First, try the quickest fixes. Restart your phone, toggle airplane mode on and off, and make sure your SIM card is properly inserted. For iPhones, go to Settings, General, About to update carrier settings. On Android, check your APN settings under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Advanced Access Point Names. Ensure it's set to VZWIMS or VZWINternet. These steps often resolve the issue by refreshing your phone's connection to the network. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve SOS mode, try resetting your network settings. On iPhone, navigate to Settings, then General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. For Android devices, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. These steps clear saved network configurations without affecting your personal data. If resetting doesn't work, reach out to Spectrum Mobile Support by calling 1-833-224-6604. Their team can help with SIM card replacement or account verification, which often resolves deeper issues. Looking ahead, Spectrum is enhancing network reliability through 5G standalone technology. This advanced 5G architecture provides more robust connections and should significantly decrease SOS mode incidents. Additionally, electronic SIM cards, or eSIMs, are becoming standard and help prevent problems associated with physical SIM cards, reducing potential SOS triggers. The latest Spectrum mobile app, version 3.2, features built-in diagnostics that can identify and resolve network issues directly from your device. Finally, regularly update your device's operating system. Outdated software often leads to compatibility problems that can trigger SOS mode on Spectrum Mobile.